Hi, good morning. Today we have a lovely client here who came all the way from long distance. So basically, she came here for a body shaping surgery. Like we like to hear from her what she's felt. Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. So yes, how do you chosen this Personiks center?
So before I went through this process, I was just checking out what are my options to, different kind of surgeries that I can go through, different kind of treatments that I can go through, and what are the different hospitals.
Mm-hmm.
Hyderabad was nearest to me, so so I did go through a couple of websites for major hospitals.
Okay.
And I did make an appointment with multiple hospitals as well.
Okay.
Then the first time I came here, I really like how you went through all my options and how you explained what would happen and what is the recovery process and what is the outcome would look like and everything. And it was pretty impressive. I mean, first when I started, I was only looking for consultation, but then after meeting you, so I made the decision of going through with it.
Okay.
It was difficult for me because it's complicated, right? Yeah.
Fine. So at last we decided and went through the procedure. Now it's already 1 month long recovery. And so what are your thoughts about what is the ambience and how is our staff and other things? What do you felt? Because you moved around in US, I think you were there in US for some time. What do you felt Indian standards?
Actually, I rather like it here. I mean, I'm not comparing. I rather like it here because of their staff. They are very lovely. Every time I have to make an appointment, they are pretty understanding, and they usually go through the appointment process and all the other process very quick. And the response time is really nice. With you as well, you're always available for consultation or any other questions right after the surgery because it was scary. So, that's nice. I really like it.
Okay. See, coming to the lot of my clients, initially they come with a lot of fears, especially regarding liposuction. So, what made you to clearly take the decision about this liposuction?
It's the same for me. I was really scared as well because it's a major surgery. I've never been through any surgery till now, so it is a major decision for me. And the major factor for me is it's the outcome, of course. But the other major factor is you. I mean, how you explained and how you showed me what it's going to be like. I was pretty convinced from there. I think I did 2 days. I think right after 2-3 days, I did come back and say I want to go through this. So it's mostly you.
Okay, fine, thank you. And basically, we, as I explained before, also we give a lot of importance to safety of the things, as you are not a patient, you're a client, and we use a lot of advanced devices to get the shape. So I want to give your experience with post-operatives after surgery. How was the entire journey briefly, so that anybody want to take a decision, how safe and how painful?
The safety wise, I have always felt safe because, as I said, you people are always available for more questions and everything. For my physical body purpose as well, the safety, I've never felt I was in any kind of danger. I mean, it's pre-operation I was really tense, but after that I was okay, and people are really helpful. I mean, I appreciate it so much. For the, what was the other question? The pain. The pain, for me it's 360 degrees. I don't know if everyone goes through the same process or not, but it was a little uncomfortable. It's not that I cannot bear it. It's maybe first 4-5 days it's a little uncomfortable.
True.
For sleeping and getting up and playing and all those things, but I think that's expected for the process, but it's not something that we cannot bear it.
Correct.
It's minimum.
Yeah. So, see, we do take a lot of precautions, as I said, pre-operatively. Like we do fentanyl patch and then painkillers. In the in-house, we give the injections. So these things makes it less. But as you said rightly, 5 days after that, people do get back into the place. Fine. So, is this post-op massages which we done? Is it helpful for you?
Yes, for me, the self massage, I don't know if I'm really great at it, but the pain and numbness is still there. Like I when I sleep for a long time, when I get up, pain, it's a little bit uncomfortable. So the massages that you do help me at least 1-2 days to manage that pain. So it's really good. If I have a chance, I would probably get it more frequently. But yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Fine. So, what do you rate with our services and the treatment? Like out of 10, what is your?
Yeah, I've not been to other surgeons, but
Okay.
for the 2 other dermatologists that I've been to, maybe I can rate it according to that. The options that you gave me and the treatment procedures that we went through, I think it's about full 10.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So nice. Have a happy journey. Hope you have further. One more thing, as I said, there will be further improvement in your results. With 3 months, then we'll see full pre.
Awesome. Yeah.
Thank you.
I can send pictures.
Okay, thank you. And do you have any final words to other clients about choosing Personiks?
So choosing the hospitals, I think it's probably very personal opinion to choose your doctor, but what I would say is take your time and talk to Dr. Guru. He's really impressive with his experience and everything. So for me, it's the obvious reason is him to choose the procedure for me. So take your time and talking to doctor multiple times and asking questions, that's helped me. So I hope you make your decision and go through with it and feel good about it. Thanks.
నా పేరు స్వేతి. యాక్చువల్లీ నాకు చాలా రోజుల నుంచి సైడ్ కి అంటే ఫేస్ సైడ్స్ కి చాలా పిగ్మెంటేషన్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉండేది. చాలా హాస్పిటల్, చాలా క్లినిక్స్, చాలా దగ్గరలో చూసాను, చాలా దగ్గరలో వాడాను, కానీ నాకు చాలా బెటర్ రిజల్ట్ అస్సలు లేదు. నాకు నా ఫ్రెండ్ సజెస్ట్ చేశారు, పెర్సోనిక్స్ అని మణికొండలో ఉంటుందని సజెస్ట్ చేశారు. అప్పుడు చాలా రోజులు కిందట సజెస్ట్ చేస్తే నేను వెళ్ళి అక్కడ డాక్టర్ని కన్సల్ట్ అయితే చాలా టైం తీసుకొని చాలా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. బాగుంటుంది, ఇలా చాలా తగ్గుతుంది అని చెప్పి అయితే డాక్టర్ గారు సజెస్ట్ చేశారు ఏంటంటే లేజర్స్ తీసుకోమన్నారు. చాలా మంచి రిజల్ట్ నాకైతే వచ్చింది. సైడ్స్ కి చాలా ఫేస్ సైడ్స్ కి చాలా పిగ్మెంటేషన్, ఈచ్ సైడ్ ఇక్కడ చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉండేది. ఇప్పుడు చాలా బెటర్ రిజల్ట్, బెటర్ అంటే 100కి 98% నాకు రిజల్ట్ వచ్చింది. బ్రెస్ట్ సర్జరీ అయినా సరే, ట్రాన్స్జెండర్ కి చాలా ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి, చాలా సర్జరీస్ అవసరం ఉంటుంది నాకు. ఎందుకంటే నేను ఒక ట్రాన్స్జెండర్ కాబట్టి నాకు ఐడియా ఉంటుంది. బ్రెస్ట్ సర్జరీ, బాటమ్ సర్జరీస్ ఏవైనా సరే పెర్సోనిక్స్ లో చాలా బాగా చేస్తారు. ఎందుకంటే నేను ఇక్కడ చేసుకున్నా కాబట్టి నేను చెప్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ స్టాఫ్ కూడా చాలా బాగా చూసుకుంటారు. సార్ కూడా చాలా కేరింగ్ పర్సన్. మంచి రిజల్ట్, ఏవైనా రిజల్ట్ ఉంటేనే ఉంటుంది, లేదు అంటే లేదు అని చెప్తారు. చాలా క్లారిటీగా చెప్తారు సార్. మోస్ట్లీ పెర్సోనిక్స్ క్లినిక్ నేను రికమెండ్ చేస్తాను. ఎందుకంటే నేను చాలా ఇక్కడ బ్రెస్ట్ సర్జరీ చేసుకున్నాను, నోస్ సర్జరీ చేసుకున్నాను. నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ బయాటిక్ సర్జరీ చేస్తారు. యాక్చువల్లీ నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ బయాట్రిక్ అంటే చాలా స్టమక్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది, ఆమె 108 kgs ఉండే పర్సన్. నేను సజెస్ట్ చేశాను నా ఫ్రెండ్కి ఇక్కడ చాలా బాగుంటుంది అని చెప్పి. సార్ కన్సల్ట్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత సర్జరీ కూడా చేస్తారు. చాలా మంచి రిజల్ట్ వచ్చింది. 108 kgs ఉన్న పర్సన్ ఆమె ఇప్పుడు దగ్గర 68 kgs కి వచ్చింది.
Personic and a year ago. The reason is because I have a flared nostrils and it was very I was feeling very sad about it. So someone suggested me to Personics. So Dr. Guru Karna here suggested me to go for a surgery. So initially I thought it was very difficult for me to go done a surgery. Then Dr. Guru Karna was so supportive and he actually he gave full support and he wanted me to go undergo surgery. Then later surgery, it was not so hard. The surgery process is so cool, and people here good, take care, and I have done the surgery now. I am really very happy and really confident. All thanks for Personiks.
हाय, मेरा नाम किट्टू है। मैं बीदर कर्नाटक से आया। रेनोप्लास्टी के लिए आया। इधर ही पेर्सोनिक ब्यूटी केयर विथ में आया। मणिकोंडा एरिया में है। मेरा रेनोप्लास्टिक सर्जरी था। मैं छोटे था ना, जब मैं गिर गया था, मेरा नोज पूरा बेंड हो गया था। जब आके डॉक्टर सर को बताया, दिखाया, मेरा स्कैनिंग पूरा रिपोर्ट सब दे दिया, सर को दिखाया। सर भी मेरा साथ और आल स्टॉफ भी मेरे साथ अच्छे से बात करे, बिहेवियर अच्छा था। मेरे को एक घर का क्या बोलते हैं इसको, मेहमान के जैसे मेरे को ट्रीट करे सब लोग। सर को दिखाया, मेरा रेनोप्लास्टिक सर्जरी था। मेरा सर्जरी भी अच्छा हो गया। मेरा सर्जरी से मैं ठीक हूँ। अभी मेरा नोज भी अच्छा हो गया, स्ट्रेट हो गया। अभी मेरा शादी है अगले मंथ में। मैं बिफोर 15 डेज के अंदर में रिकवर हो गया। डॉक्टर गुरुकरण सर है, अच्छे है सर, थैंक यू गुरुकरण सर। और आज स्टॉफ भी का काम करते हैं, जो हॉस्पिटल में जो मेंबर्स है अच्छे है, वो भी अच्छे से मेरे को ट्रीट करा। थैंक यू फॉर पेर्सोनिक हॉस्पिटल। आप भी इधर आ जाइए। मेरा सर्जरी अच्छे से हो, बहुत अच्छे हो गया। आप भी आके इधर से कुछ बेनिफिट्स ले सकते हैं, आपको भी ट्रीटमेंट अच्छे से हो सकता है। थैंक यू।
At starting, I was really low confident about my weight and especially about my stomach. And one day, my sister-in-law, she had suggested me about Personiks. When I visited Dr. Gurukarna, it was like he changed completely my life. At starting, I was scared about liposuction and everything, like it's a surgery kind of, because I have never done a surgery before ever. But after doing that, it made me so confident and it brought a light to my life, especially the staff here and doctor and Rajini. Everyone's so kind. They never made me feel like I had a surgery. After doing the surgery, I feel so confident now, like I can walk into anything, and I feel really like this has changed something really big to me. The weight and low confidence, you can just visit Dr. Gurukarna once and he'll guide you the best thing for you. He'll suggest you the best, and the staff and everyone are so humble. You can just truly completely trust them. And anyone who's suffering like me and who's scared to do such things, but I truly completely trust Dr. Gurukarna. You can just visit and talk to him and explain him your problem. He will suggest you the best thing.
హాయ్, నా పేరు సోనాలు. నేను ప్లాస్టిక్ సర్జరీ చేయించుకుందామని వచ్చాను. నోస్ సర్జరీ ప్లస్ బ్రెస్ట్ ఇంప్లాంటేషన్. సో నాకు వేరే వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడెక్కడ సజెస్ట్ చేశారు. బట్ టోటలీ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ ద ఫేమస్ డాక్టర్ ఉన్నారు, పెర్సోనిక్ అని, మణికొండలో ఉంది, మరి చెట్టు దగ్గర. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ ద సర్జరీ వాజ్ సక్సెస్. అండ్ నాకు ఎలా కావాలో అలా బ్రెస్ట్ ఇంప్లాంటేషన్ చేశారు సార్. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ మచ్ హ్యాపీ. నాకు అసలు పెయిన్ అనేది కనబడలేదు. వచ్చిన ఫస్ట్ డే 30 minutesలో ఆపరేషన్ అయిపోయింది. అండ్ దట్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. అండ్ ఎక్కడో చాలామంది పూణే, బాంబే, ఢిల్లీ వెళ్తూ ఉంటారు. సో మా ట్రాన్స్జెండర్స్ కానీ ఎవరైనా సరే, జస్ట్ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ విజిట్ వన్స్ ఎ డాక్టర్. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
హాయ్, నమస్తే. పర్సోనిక్ హాస్పిటల్లో నేను టమ్మీ లైబో సర్జరీ చేయించాను. చాలా బాగా చేశారు. ఇంతకు ముందుకు నాకు టమ్మీ ఎక్కువ ఉందని చెప్పేసి నేను చాలా బాధపడేదాన్ని. ఇప్పుడు చాలా బాగా అయ్యింది. ఇంతకుముందు నేను చిన్న చిన్న డ్రెస్సులు వేయడానికైనా చాలా సిగ్గుపడేదాన్ని. ఇప్పుడు బాగుంది. అలాగే డాక్టర్ గారు కూడా బాగా రిసీవ్ చేసుకుని మంచి సర్జరీ చేశారు. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న స్టాఫ్ అంతా చాలా బాగా చూసుకున్నారు. వచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా మంచి చూస్తున్నారు, అంత బాగా చూసుకుంటున్నారు. ఇంకా నా ఆనందంలో చెప్పాలంటే నేను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను.
హలో అండి, మా పాప ఇయర్ రింగ్ లోపలికి ఎంబెడ్ అయిపోవడంతో నేను గురుకర్ణ గారిని కలవడానికి వచ్చాను. సో చాలా షార్ట్ అండ్ ఫాస్ట్గా చేసేసారు. అసలు ఎక్కడ ఏ పెయిన్ లేదు. పాప చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది ఇప్పుడు. హీఈస్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ డాక్టర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
బాగా పెద్ద సైజ్ అయిపోయే హోల్స్ డాక్టర్ గారు అసలు ఎక్కడ నొప్పి లేకుండా ఏం లేకుండా చాలా బాగా చేశారండి. గురుకర్ణ వేముల వారు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. ఆయనకి చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు ట్రీట్మెంట్. అది ఎక్కడ నొప్పి కానీ ఏమీ తెలియట్లేదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Today we have another lovely client from Africa, and we done some treatment to her in a Personiks cosmetic and plastic surgery, and we want to listen from her what exactly she is looking.
I'm happy to come to this hospital. The best doctor, plus surgeries, a lot of operations, stomach, BBL, nose, a lot of things. It's the best doctor.
Thank you.
Come to this hospital, nice hospital, and the best doctor. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
హాయ్ అండి, నా పేరు భవాని. నేను హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉంటున్నాను. సో నేను పర్సనిక్స్ క్లినిక్ అనేది నేను ఇక్కడ ఎంచుకోవడం నా చాయిస్ అనేది చాలా బెస్ట్ అని చెప్తాను. ఎందుకు అంటే ఇక్కడ డాక్టర్ వచ్చేసి గురుకరణ్ సార్ కానీ అండ్ స్టాఫ్ కానీ అందరు కూడా చాలా బాగా ట్రీట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. అండ్ గురుకరణ్ సార్ వచ్చేసి మొదటగా ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎవరైనా చాలా అంటే ఎక్కడైనా మనం వెళ్ళాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ భయపడతాం కదా. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే నాకు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ భయం అనేది లేకుండా చాలా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా చాలా బాగా చూసుకున్నారు. ఇక్కడ స్టాఫ్ అయినా కానీ సార్ అయినా కానీ సార్ అయితే చాలా అంటే చాలా మంచిగా చాలా బాగా చూసుకున్నారు మమ్మల్ని అయితే గనక. అండ్ నా ట్రీట్మెంట్ విషయం కూడా చాలా సపోర్టెడ్గా ఉన్నారు. అండ్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి నా సర్జరీ వచ్చేసి బ్రెస్ట్ ఇంప్లాంట్స్. సో నాకు ట్రీట్మెంట్ నేను తీసుకున్నందుకు చాలా సంతోషిస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఎంచుకునే చాయిస్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇది కరెక్టా రాంగా అనేది మనం తెలియక చాలాసార్లు చాలా ప్లేసెస్లో మనం వెళ్ళినా సరే కానీ నేను చూస్ చేసుకున్న ప్లేస్ అనేది పర్సనిక్స్ మాత్రం నాకు చాలా బెస్ట్గా అనిపించింది. ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఇక్కడ ట్రీట్మెంటే కాదు అండ్ రిసీవింగ్ కానీ అన్నీ కూడా మళ్ళీ నాకు ఫాలోఅప్ చేయడం కానీ అన్నీ కూడా చాలా బాగా చూసుకున్నారు నిజంగా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ పర్సనిక్స్ అండ్ డాక్టర్ గురుకరణ్ సార్ అండ్ ఆలో టీమ్కి కూడా ना तरफ धन्यवाद.
मेरा नाम शेख रब्बानी है. डॉक्टर साहब मेरे को आइस करेक्शन करे, बहुत अच्छी सर्जरी करे, बहुत अच्छे है डॉक्टर साहब. और यहाँ के पूरे स्टाफ देखे तो आप फैमिली के जैसा अच्छा, सबको अच्छा देखते हैं. हॉस्पिटल में आइए आप लोग जिसको भी आना है.
मेरा नाम संतोष कुमार नायक है. मैं उड़ीसा से आया हूँ. मेरा राइट हैंड का नर्व कट गया था, तो इसलिए मैं पैरासोनिक को आया. यहाँ पर डॉक्टर गुरुकर्ण वेमुला अच्छा सर्जरी किया है. अभी मेरा हाथ बराबर फंक्शन कर रहा है अभी थोड़ा. और यहाँ का स्टाफ भी बहुत कोऑपरेट करते हैं, बहुत अच्छा है. हॉस्पिटल भी अच्छा है.
Thank you doctor for everything. I was on holiday here and we came to make this surgery, plastic surgery, and really was everything's fine, good. And no pain, nothing, just 2 days and everything was fine. And I feel well now, better.
Okay.
Yeah, and I hope anyone will come visit India, I will send them to you, inshallah.
Thank you. Where are you coming from?
I am from UAE, from Sharjah.
Sharjah. Okay. So you came with eye problem.
Yeah, just much skin, about feel like tired like this, but now I may remove this all.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Victor. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for appreciating. So how do you felt about our staff and
everything good. Everything.
Okay.
Excellent.
Thank you very much.
హలో, నమస్కారం అండి. మా పేరు పుల్లయ్య. మేము నా చెయ్యి కట్ అయినప్పుడు నేను ఉస్మానియాకి వెళ్ళాను. ఉస్మానియాలో నాకు ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఏం నచ్చలేదు. అక్కడ నుంచి పర్సోనిక్స్కి వచ్చినాను. అక్కడ ట్రీట్మెంట్ బాగానే జరిగింది. సారు బాగానే చేసిండు. నాకు 2 రోజుల వరకు రికవర్ అయింది. మంచిగానే చేసిండు, బాగానే తగ్గింది. ఇప్పటి వరకు అయితే మంచిగానే చేసిండు, చాలా మంచిగా ఉంది. ఈ హాస్పిటల్ కూడా బాగా మంచిగా నచ్చింది. ఇదంతా కూడా బాగానే లోపల ఇట్లా అంతా బాగానే సర్జరీ ఇట్లా అంతా బాగానే చేసిండు, అంతా బాగానే ఉంది.
నేను పర్సనిక్స్ మణికొండలో స్కిన్ గ్రాఫ్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను. డాక్టర్ గురుకరణ్ గారు నాకు స్కిన్ గ్రాఫ్ట్ చేసుకొని నేను 3 months అవుతుంది. అండ్ ఇక్కడ నేను స్టాఫ్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది ఇక్కడ. అండ్ స్టాఫ్ నర్సెస్ కానీ వాళ్ళు మనల్ని రిసీవ్ చేసుకోవడం కానీ. నేను 2 days ఉన్నాను ఇక్కడ. సర్జరీ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత 2 nights ఉన్నా. అండ్ దే రిసీవ్డ్ మీ వెరీ వెల్. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్
స్కిన్ గ్రాఫ్ట్ అయ్యి నాకు 3 months అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు. మళ్ళీ చెకప్కి వచ్చాను నేను. సో అంతా నార్మల్ గా స్కిన్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ గా అయిపోయింది సర్జరీ. అండ్ స్కిన్ కూడా నాకు స్మూత్ గా ముందులాగే వచ్చేసింది. అండ్ ఇంకా and I suggest you also to come here and make your life beautiful and feel confidence in your life. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Manila Kabra. I take pride in sharing the feedback about the Personiks. Lifelong, I have been suffering with the saggy arms that I had because the clothes never used to fit. The body fitting is different, but then when it comes to the arms, it go totally out of shape. So I always had that feeling, and I was low on confidence that the entire body is somewhere different and the arms are different. The clothes go out of place and things like that. So then my mom encouraged me to go take this treatment. I came here, I spoke to the doctor. The doctor is too good. Dr. Vimala sir, he would, explain to you the entire treatment process. He also explains to you about the effects that will have and the precaution that you will have to follow. In fact, honestly speaking, it is nothing. It is just a 1-day process. You are here, you go home, and you are like at home for 4 weeks. You do not have to go elsewhere, do anything. But the result that you see is like total entire body transformation. It boosts your confidence like anything. Now my relatives, friends, everyone is like able to notice that I have gone back 10 to 15 years younger to my age now. Whereas when I went to other parlors for a school sculpting treatment and all that, it was such a tedious process. Every week you have to go MLD, spend time, effort, money, but for zero results. So that is why I feel very happy over here that I had come here and I have undergone the treatment. It's like I'm seeing a different me in myself. So I would highly recommend that this place is the one for your real treatment for a body transformation. Thank you.
Hi, this is Nikita here and I'm from Nagol, Bandlaguda. So it's been 1 year as of now. I've got great results after tummy tuck. After consulting the doctor, I had confidence to go for this procedure. I visited many clinics, but I didn't have that confidence to go for this surgery. But after coming here, after talking to doctor, then I felt, it was really safe, and then I got it done. In 3 months of time, I started seeing great results, and not only that, but it boosted up my confidence. And the other thing over here is, the friendly staff. They really take care of you very well in every aspect. Like, whatever you need after the surgery, post surgery, I had a great experience in this clinic, and I recommend all those who are looking to go for lipo or tummy tuck, whatever procedure it is, surgical procedures, cosmetic procedures, this is one of the finest place to go for. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Olaglithin. I am from Arunachal Pradesh. I really appreciate the service, the kind of service they provide here. The doctor, the staff, the environment. And Dr. Guru Karna is the only doctor I go to whenever there's a requirement. This clinic, Personiks clinic, is at Manikonda. So I recommend all my friends and family to visit whenever you have a requirement. Thank you.
So hi guys, today I am with Manisha. Manisha has been with Personiks as our client as well as our patient. Welcome Manisha, and thank you for agreeing to talking with us. So Manisha, the first thing I would like to ask you is what is the problem that you were trying to solve, and how did you land up at Personiks?
So I have a mole, and that is diagnosed to be abnormal. And the doctors from the US, we usually live there. So when I consulted them, they called me and they said that it's a little cancer cells. There is a change in the mole, so I have to get it removed. I've reached out to doctor. She recommended that this is the best place to get treated. So I visited doctor here. So that's the story behind my visit.
Right. So the doctors in the US were like suspecting that this could be a cancer.
Yes. So actually they called me and they straight up said that it is skin cancer and I have to get it re-excised.
Mm-hmm. That would have been very tormenting for you. It might have been like scared you so much. So since this was skin cancer, or they were suspecting so, and then you came with Dr. Guru, did you get another side of the diagnosis, or he also says that this is perhaps cancer?
No. The first time I visited him, he saw the report that I got from US and he reviewed it, and he told me that it's probably not as serious as it is, and he suggested that I could re-excise it and send it to the pathology for a proper report again. So that comforted me a little.
Okay, yeah, just the possibility of a different diagnosis. But since this was a cancer and this could be scary for you, and since you stay in the US, why did you choose to do this in India and not in the US? Like US is considered so hi-fi. So.
Right, no, but I feel the care and comfort here, I wouldn't find it in abroad. So the main point that I was here is there's no emotion or empathy when they are diagnosing me with skin cancer. But when I'm here, they're literally comforting me, saying it's probably not what you think. Don't think about the worst. It's not probably that. That's really comforting. And I have 2 kids, very small ones, and knowing that it could be as deadly as cancer and an aggressive form of cancer, that is very scary. So the day I left here, it relieved me a little.
Right. So I think in the care is not just the medical science, but also the entire how the support you get.
I feel the technology and science is always increasing, and we can get it anywhere, but the care and comfort is the utmost thing that we can get in our home country.
That's beautiful. That's very, very interesting. Okay, and so when this was a possibility, you were in this gray zone. How did you get support from your family, and how did you break the news to them, and what are you doing?
I'm visiting India for my brother-in-law's wedding. So it's really hard for me to break the news to them, because especially we have a good thing going on there and I can't make them just say that it is cancer and scare them. So I did not want to tell them unless I get diagnosed here. So when I visited the doctor, they said it is probably not that, and we can see to it and surgically remove it. And they just followed me through the steps they are going to take me. So I was at ease to explain to the family that it is not serious.
Okay,
and I have 2 kids, so they're very small. Like one is 6 months, 5 months, and the other one is 2 years old. So it's not a good news to share with the family, especially this hard news.
Yeah, especially and when you're not very sure also.
Yes.
And when another doctor is telling you that there is possibly another diagnosis for this, right?
Yes. Especially that.
Right. That's really, really important, I think.
Yes.
And I think as women, we shoulder a lot of responsibility of the family members also.
True.
That they should not feel scared.
Yes.
And they should not start acting up.
Yes.
So I think taking decisions for yourself also until you have clarity is also a good way to deal with too many emotions.
True. I did not have much information. They just called me up and they said, yeah, it's just a skin cancer and we have to do a surgery on you. That's the only thing that I got from them. That's the only information that I've ever got. So they did not explain which stage it was or what's the treatment that I have to undergo and all. So that's something that Dr. Guru took me through.
That's very, very important, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So what is your message to the people, either who are not open for cosmetic surgery visits, or what is in general from your experience?
So the doctor who recommended me here, the main reason is because the mole is in the center of the body, and it might affect even if I breathe. So she wanted me to go to the surgeon because it is cosmetical. I mean, the way it is or the place it is, it has to be properly done. So only a plastic surgeon can have that experience or the knowledge to do it. And even if I wear the dresses that expose a certain area, it would really look nice. So I don't think there's something to be scared about to reach out to a plastic surgeon, especially when it excludes the confidence that we want to wear ourselves.
Yeah, right. And I think we underrate a lot about how we are confident in the clothes that we wear and how we present. So, because generally,
it's just not a cosmetic surgery, but it has a lot of, science behind it, and whatever they do, they have that experience to do. So, it's not something to be scared about.
Right. And I think going to a qualified surgeon really helps to do that, right?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. And just one last question. when it came to financing the whole procedure that you wanted to do and things like that, in India, a lot of these procedures don't get covered by insurance, but you still manage to kind of do that. So is there anything that you would like to tell women about how they can leverage their financial freedom to make choices that they would want to make?
Personally, I would say if there's an insurance that we can afford to before going to these treatments, I think that would help a lot. But and treatment itself here, I did not find it very costly or something that they're going overboard. It's very reasonable, so I think it's the best that we can get. I'm saying that few treatments in US, they are not covered by the insurance that we already might have had. So we still have to go out of the pocket. So, but here in India, I felt this is very reasonable. So today I got my husband here to get skin tight remove as well, because I feel that it is costly in US. So it's the prices are reasonable. They are not overboard.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much.
To begin with, when I entered Personiks, I was before I entered the hospital, I am a little confused actually about the atmosphere and staff and all, because I've been to one or two hospitals previously. When I entered here, the atmosphere is very friendly actually. The way they have received and comforted me, నాకు సర్జరీ అనే నర్వస్నెస్ లేకుండా చేశారు. స్టాఫ్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఫ్రెండ్లీ. I personally recommend actually. And the way the surgery went on and your treatment and the way you changed my look. So because this change brought a lot of confidence in me. And I used to have a lot of discomfort because of my look. Now I'm different. I'm happy with my new look now.
And what was it bothering you since childhood?
Yeah, the teasing. In classroom, people used to tease me. Even in my engineering time also, people used to tease me, even in my workplace. But now they don't have that choice to tease now. So I'm really comfortable, especially now that I have gone through some pain because of that.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नोज प्रॉब्लम के लिए बहुत तकलीफ लेना पड़ा मेरे को और बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करना पड़ा, लेकिन इंटरनेट में सर्च करके देखे, रीनोप्लास्टी के बारे में सर्च किया तो मणिकोंडा पैरासोनिक हॉस्पिटल बेस्ट रिजल्ट है बोल के मालूम हुआ। वहां से हम ये हॉस्पिटल को आए। डॉक्टर गुरुकर्णा सर ने हमारा हौसला बढ़ाया और रीनोप्लास्टी के लिए हमको बोले और रीनोप्लास्टी सर्जरी भी हमारा अच्छे से हो गया और बेस्ट रिजल्ट आया। यहाँ पे स्टाफ और सर अच्छे से हमको रिसीव कर लिए और अच्छे से ट्रीटमेंट भी किए। आप सब लोग भी नोज प्रॉब्लम है तो कुछ डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। पैरासोनिक क्लिनिक को विजिट कर सकते और बेस्ट रिजल्ट पा सकते। థ్యాంక్ యూ.
హాయ్ అండి, నా పేరు స్టెల్లా రాయ్. నేను బంజారాహిల్స్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. నాకు చాలా హోల్స్ ఉండే, తర్వాత ఈసారి చాలా మంచి అయినా CO2 లేజర్ చేశారు. ఒక్క సెట్టింగ్లో నేను చేయించుకున్నాను. నా దగ్గర వీడియోస్ కూడా ఉన్నాను, నేను చూపెడతాను. ఒక్కటే సెట్టింగ్లో చాలా బాగా చేశారు. ఇక్కడ స్టాఫ్ ఒక ట్రాన్స్జెండర్ అని చిన్న చూపు చూడకుండా చాలా బాగా చూస్తారు. చాలా మంచి రిసీవ్ చేశారు. నేను నమ్మి వచ్చాను. మీరు కూడా ఒక్కసారి ట్రై చేయండి.
హాయ్, ఐఎమ్ షాహిన్ and I'm a mother of a kid. I'm of around 38 years of age and I was suffering with so many problems after post-delivery and I want to recover all those problems. So I have seen many sectors, but I walked down to Personiks and I met Dr. Kulkarna, cosmetologist, and I shared my concerns with him. Dr. Kulkarna Vemula is one of the best cosmetologists, I would say. He spoke to me very patiently and I used to have so many myths about cosmetic surgeries. But when I met the doctor, all my myths have been cleared, all my concerns have been cleared. Each and everything he explained me in a patient way. and he's a down-to-earth person. And I felt very light after having a conversation with him. And I put all my queries before him, and each and every query was answered in a patient way as his own family member. And I felt very happy for that. And I left all my worries. And later, the team also of Personiks has cooperated me with a lot of hope. And I was going to surgery. And I walked in for the surgery. And my parents were also very worried about the cosmetic surgeries. But later speaking to the doctor, they felt very good. And they felt very confident. And after getting surgery, after a month, I could see the total results. And the body contouring was there. Body makeup was totally excellent with all the contouring having done. And I felt very happy after seeing the results. And the surgery was done successfully. And the procedures were done in a hygienic way. Everything was hygienic and clean and tidy place that you can be very satisfied for that. And nothing has went out of my views at all. Everything was in place. And the next day, after the surgery, I went to go. And for a 1 month and all, after 1 month, I got total 100% results. There was a body contouring, and I came for a follow-up with Dr. Gurkarna and expressed a heartfelt thanks to him and his team, whoever has coordinated with me, each and every person. I could specifically say each and every person has cooperated a lot as their own family member. And with all of the hope, I was really very happy with this. And he's one of Guru Karna. Dr. Guru Karna is a person who has a full of skill set. And we have to go for a surgeon who is a fully skilled person and who ensures us with the final results with safety of our health. So all these things are there with this doctor, and doctor has given me full support and the mindset, and I was very strong, and I was really very happy with the results. And I'm really thankful to Personiks, and I want to be connected with this Personiks in future also. And thankful to each and everyone who has been with me in this journey, and my parents are very happy. Thanks for the treatment.
We have with us today Dr. Chaitanya, and Dr. Chaitanya is a general surgeon. Hi, Dr. Chaitanya.
Hi.
So, Dr. Chaitanya, you came to Personiks. What were you looking for before you came or even arrived at the brand name Personiks?
Actually, I had this problem. I had lipoma since 3 years or so. I was studying in Davangere, so I didn't get any time to come and get it done. So I was looking forward to get it done from some good place where there will be very less scar or very less trauma to myself. So yeah.
Okay, so then how did you find Personiks, and like where did you look for the right surgeon and all of that?
Actually, my father, exactly a year back, he fell down on a footpath while taking my dog for a walk. He had a very deep laceration over his upper lip. So that is when he was advised by some other doctor about Guru Karan sir. And then he came here, and then after a couple of weeks, then I came back and looked at his scar. There was literally like no scar on his face. Like we had to search for the scar.
Okay.
Yeah, actually there is no wound without scar, but we had to search for the scar. It was that good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that
is when I decided to come here.
What was your diagnosis? What did you get? Like, was it lipoma? Was it something else? And
it was actually a lipoma. It was around 4 or 5 centimeters. My ball was getting thin. There was no hair over there because of the lipoma. It was showing, alopecia was showing in that area. So I got it removed.
Okay, wonderful. So therefore you decided to do it. So when were you discharged? How fast were you discharged?
Actually I was given a date. Then I came on that date, and it was done in like 15-20 minutes maximum.
That's all.
Yeah, under local anesthesia. And it was painless. Actually, doctor gave me some painkillers but I didn't use any because it was absolutely painless.
Wonderful. So,
Yeah.
how was your overall experience with Personiks apart from the surgery? How did you feel about the experience overall?
Yeah, I think actually the staff, overall staff, and everyone who's working here, they're very attentive, very kind, and they keep reminding you about your appointment, which is very nice. I felt it was quite different. I didn't see this kind of approach in other hospitals till now. So they remind you about your appointment and they ask you how you are on the post-operative days. So it was very nice.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Dr. Chaitanya, you're a general surgeon.
Yeah.
Okay, but we've seen a lot of patients or a lot of people thinking that cosmetic surgery or any of these is only meant for models, actors, and actresses.
Yeah.
What would you say about that kind of thinking?
You know, it is a very big misconception. So they think it's really expensive, but the results you get for whatever you're paying is like unmatchable. You cannot get it from anyone else. Like, if you go to some surgeon, general surgeon, or who does not have any expertise in this field, so you don't get those kind of results. Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Chaitanya. You're very young, so we really wish you best for your career
thank you
and
so
your
much.
studies.
Thank you.
And thank you, everyone, guys, for listening to us patiently.
I came here for my son for the chin surgery, plastic surgery. Suddenly in the night, 11 o'clock, he fall down on the floor and it's a big cut over there. And next day I went to nearby hospital and they waited for me 2.5 hours. After I got a suggestion from one of my friends and I rushed over there and it's awesome experience with this Personiks clinic. It's awesome because staffs, doctors, all are very good. They are treating very good with us, and how they behave with my kid is awesome. Means first time I think in my life I saw this kind of facilities and this kind of taking careness here in this clinic. I should say the big thank to the doctor and also the supporting staff who did the OT plastic surgery on that day. And after that I came here after 6 days back. Means it's awesome. Kid is now feeling very good. No cut mark, nothing is there. So I suggest others also please visit this clinic. If you come here, then you can understand. With saying it's not possible to understand the other people. If you visit this clinic, then you can understand what is going on over here and how kind-hearted people are sitting over here. Thank you very much. Thank you, Personiks. Thank you very much for your supports.